If CBP audited your company tomorrow, could you show them a written customs compliance manual? If the answer is no, you're taking a big risk. A solid manual isn't just for big companies. It is the first step in showing reasonable care and protecting your business from costly penalties. Let me show you how to build one that works and keeps you CBP ready. Hi everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. I'm Jaime Salazar, licensed U.S. Customs broker, and in this video we'll walk you through how to create a customs compliance manual. The exact components CBP expects to see and how to tailor to your business. The main content is pretty much ask yourself, what is a customs manual? What does it do? And what is it about? Obviously, a customs compliance manual is a written guide that documents how your company complies with U.S. import regulations. Obviously, helps employees, brokers, and auditors understand your internal procedures. Demonstrates reasonable care under 19 U.S. Code 1484. Okay. The core sections to include on the manual, it is pretty much to generate a company overview of an import profile. Okay. Meaning what? Products you import, countries of origin, major suppliers. You know, as you as a manufacturer, exporter, importer, vice versa, you need to have a compliance manual in place and keep all the records. Okay, because you're responsible and you're liable for all that. The broker management policy, how brokers are selected, evaluated, and audited. Who is responsible? Who's responsible for entry reviews? You have to have everything in place. HTS classification procedures, how your team assigns staff codes, resources and tools used for accuracy, valuation guidelines, when and how to declare assessed royalties or commissions, what documentation to maintain, pretty much a country of origin determination, decision process for origin markings and certification. You have to pretty much have everything on file. Okay, when you do a verification of an origin and you comply with the rules of origin, make sure you have everything on file to demonstrate such criteria that you actually qualify. Free trade agreement use, USMCA, other programs, documentation, eligibility, and retention. Okay, all those files. Obviously, the record keeping policy compliance with Title 19 CFR 163, which is maintain records for 5 years minimum. Okay, you need to have them. If customs audits importers and even exporters, manufacturers, which they do, and now with the new laws that came in under the MODE Act and all those sort of things, they're actually gonna be verifying a lot of information from exporters. So be on the lookout, guys, and make sure you implement something in place and be ready for those audits. Okay. Internal audits and corrective actions, frequency of reviews, how errors are tracked, how PDs are filed. Okay. So you have to make sure that everything it's organized. What are the common mistakes? Using a generic template with no relevance to your business. No designated compliance officer or point of person. Okay. Failing to review or update the manual regularly. Not training program for staff or broker oversight. So again, those are the common mistakes that exporters, importers, manufacturers, that pretty much what they do. The majority of the time, I've seen a lot of cases where clients, ask for preferential treatments And when they do audits to them, it comes out that they can show proof and evidence that their product actually complies with the rules of origin. And what happens? They end up losing the privilege, and they end up owing customs a lot of duties with interest rates and stuff like that. So again, be careful when you're claiming, and make sure that you have the evidence to back it up, because eventually it's gonna happen. Okay, so just be careful with that. Okay, keep your manual simple but detailed, and link it with your SOPs, training materials, and broker communications. Okay, so make sure you have everything. To reduce audit risk and demonstrate reasonable care, build a customs compliance manual tailored to your operations. Cover all key regulatory areas. Train your team and update regularly. Okay, you gotta do training. Okay, so make sure you have those manuals in place. That way, again, you can train your employees and keep track of every record of all your transactions that the company does through the course of the year. And again, if you guys need help drafting or updating your compliance manual, we can create a custom guide for importers of all sizes. Reach out for a consultation, or drop a comment below if you want a free checklist. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More compliance tools are coming your way. Again, I want to take the time to thank everybody that continues to support our channel. I'm very grateful, and wherever country you guys are at, sincerely, again, I can't thank you enough for continued supporting our channel. And for those that are new to our channel, we welcome you, and don't forget to subscribe, like our channel, and we're gonna be continuing to put in more content out there. And again, I invite you guys to comment if you want to talk about a particular subject matter, whether it's immigration, whether it's transportation, whether it's customs related issues, immigration, any other federal law that you feel that are having issues, or you've experienced some issues with it. By all means, make a comment, drop a comment below, and we'll look at it. Okay, and again, once again, thank you very much for tuning into our channel, and we're gonna continue making more content for you guys. Thank you very much, appreciate it.